welcome back to Katie's Cool Creations, and in this video I am very excited because I asked you guys in my Halloween slimes video if you guys wanted me to give my second slime a makeover, the multicolored one, since it turned out to be a very ugly brown color, and you guys told me in that video that you really wanted to see that, so that is what I'm going to be doing today. So I am very excited for this video. So before we get started with the video, if you are new here to my channel, be sure to go in the description box down below and click that big red subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you do, that would be so awesome. So without further ado, let's get straight on with the video. So here's the ugly brown slime that I'm going to be giving a makeover. So now, just to make it more stretchy, I'm adding some hair gel, and this really works, so I do recommend it. And now just gonna start mix it all together until you like the texture of your slime. Now it is time to add some body lotion to make it like just more of a regular slime texture, because if you watch my Halloween slime video, I tried making this a butter slime and I don't really want it to feel like a butter slime anymore. So yeah. And it pops really good now, as you can tell. Now taking some teal metallic acrylic paint, I'm going to add that in to my slime. You can add seriously any color that you want. I just wanted mine to be teal, so that is what I am doing. So it really wasn't turning any teal color. I tried adding yellow and other colors, so I turned my slime white, and then now I'm just adding green, and as you can tell, it is adding way better than any color that I tried. So I just kept it green then. Now just taking some shaving foam, you can start adding that into your slime just to make it fluffy. Just taking a glass cup and adding the slime into it, and you really want to try and add it in there very good. And after that is in, you can take some shaving cream once again and squirt that on the top to make it look like whipped cream, I think it is. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's whipped cream. And now just taking a fake lemon charm thing, you can add that into your shaving cream. So here's the slime before the makeover, and here it is after. And the after, I just can't even tell you how nice it is. This slime just looks amazing, and I really like how it looked good in the like smoothie. I would call it a smoothie. So I think it turned out amazing, and it's really fun to play with. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it because I know I really did, and I really like the slime after the makeover way better than the before because the before was just such an ugly color. So if you guys liked this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and yeah, I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye!